In this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite logging and stuttering. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to update your graphics driver. So to do this, you'll need to open the device manager, and to do that, you'll need to click on WinX on your laptop or PC. So a pop-up will pop up on your screen. So from there, you'll need to select Device Manager, and then the Device Manager tab will pop on your screen. So in here, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and look for your graphics driver. So make sure that your graphics driver are up to date using NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software. So if you have done this and it still doesn't work, another thing you can do is to go ahead and check internet connection. So you'll need to go ahead and open your settings, and then from here you'll need to go ahead and head over into the network and security section, or network and internet section. From here, make sure that you are actually connected into a reliable internet connection using a wired connection or using a Wi-Fi. So you need to restart your router and close bandwidth heavy applications to be able to resolve the problem. And the last option that you have is to go ahead and disable full screen optimization. So go ahead and right click on Fortnite shortcut on your PC, and then head over into the property section, and then in here go ahead and head over into the compatibility section, and then go ahead and check disable full screen optimizations. And that's basically the 3 ways for you to fix Fortnite logging and stuttering. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.